Welcome to my kitchen. Take 3 eggs and break them into a bowl. Then add a teaspoon of salt. And a teaspoon of black pepper. And then a teaspoon of oregano. These seasonings add wonderful flavor to our dish. Now mix it all together with a whisk until it's well combined. Today we're making a special dish that is close to my heart, eggplant vegetable casserole. This recipe is perfect for a family dinner. Next, add 1 cup of cream to the bowl and stir it in. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Now let's add half a cup of flour. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This will give our casserole a nice fluffy texture. Set the mixture aside and let's prepare our eggplant. Take 1 eggplant. Cut it into slices first. This casserole is not only delicious, but also packed with nutritious vegetables. Vegetables are so important for our health. They can help manage diabetes, reduce the risk of heart disease, and control hypertension. They're full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our bodies need. Then cut the rings into strips. I always try to use natural, organic ingredients from local farmers markets. It's important to nourish our bodies with wholesome foods. Natural and whole foods are much healthier than processed convenience foods, and they taste so much better too. I care deeply about my health and the health of my family, and I want you to do the same. Remember, cooking with love and fresh ingredients is the best way to ensure we all stay healthy and happy. Transfer the eggplant strips into the bowl. Then add the egg mixture. And stir to coat them well. Now, heat some oil in a frying pan over medium heat. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me, and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. Finely chop 1 onion. Did you know that onions have been used for their medicinal properties for thousands of years? They contain antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation. Add the onion to the pan. Sauté it until it's translucent. Next, grate 1 carrot. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which our bodies convert to vitamin A. This is essential for good vision and immune function. Add it to the pan. Sauté for a few minutes until the carrot softens. We have 200 grams of mushrooms here. Slice them up. Mushrooms are low in calories, but rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're also a great source of fiber and protein. it to the pan as well. Chop one bell pepper into small pieces. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which are great for your skin and immune system. Add it to the pan as well. Finally, chop a bunch of fresh parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and can help with bone health. And stir it into the pan. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything together and let it cook for a few minutes. Once the vegetables are nicely cooked, transfer them into the bowl with the eggplant and egg mixture. Mix everything together until well combined. Now, grease a baking dish with a little oil to prevent sticking. vegetable and egg mixture into the dish and spread it out evenly. Preheat your oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Place the baking dish in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. While our casserole is baking, let's make a simple and delicious sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, grate 1 clove of garlic, and add it to the bowl. Sprinkle in a little dry oregano and stir everything together. This sauce is a perfect complement to our casserole. Our casserole should be almost ready now. Let's prepare the final touches. Take 1 tomato and cut it into rings. When the casserole is done baking, remove it from the oven and place the tomato rings on top. Grate 7 ounces or 200 grams of cheese. Sprinkle it over the tomatoes. This will create a delicious gooey topping. Place the casserole back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. All right, our eggplant vegetable casserole is ready. Let's take it out of the oven. Look at that beautiful golden brown top. It smells amazing. Let's give it a try. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you and your family enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.